Welcome everyone to this section of the course on convolutional neural networks. Let's discuss what's covered in this section. We'll begin by discussing the MNIST dataset, which if you've taken a deep learning course before is a very famous dataset that you're probably familiar with. It consists of images of handwritten digits. After we overview that dataset, we're going to actually attempt to classify those images using a standard artificial neural network approach. Then we'll see the limitations of just regular, fully connected artificial neural networks. So we'll begin to discuss the theory behind convolutional neural networks, including discussions on things like images, kernels, and strides. Then we'll revisit the MNIST dataset, now using the powerful convolutional neural network tool to see the improvements convolutional neural networks gives us. And then we'll have some discussions on how to actually use GPUs with PyTorch. Okay, let's get started. I'll see you at the next lecture.